Hello, let me show you how to check the OPPO Reno country. Firstly, you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.Info website. When you are here, just enter your email number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen. Go for CAPTCHA protection. Then click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your device. Then if you want to check the OPPO Reno country, you should choose Info&Country check. Then check OPPO warranty and country and wait a short while until full specification is provided. There you go. You can come up with plenty of very useful information, and here you can check the country of your OPPO Reno. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.